Hello dear colleagues, wish you very good day and again warm welcome to Fisheries Only, our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see or discuss the learning management system. Learning management system is a LMS, is a software application for administration as well as a documentation, tracking, reporting and automation and delivery of educational courses, training programs, and learning and developmental programs. Are so many softwares are available. Google provides one best LMS, that is Google Classroom, is available for this system, in which we can share material, we can assess, we can evaluate the students also. We can run our class through the Google Classroom. Google is having this great feature, providing great feature as a LMS. We will see how to use a Google Classroom to make our class. Let's see a Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a free web service developed by Google for schools, colleges, and universities, aims to simplify creating, distributing, and grading the assignments. The primary purpose of Google Classroom is to streamline the process of sharing files between teachers and the students. Google Classroom integrates with Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Gmail, and Calendar into a cohesive platform to manage the students and teacher communications. Students can be invited to join the class through the provided class code or automatically imported from the school domain. Teachers can create and distribute, evaluate the assignments which are given to the students. Each class creates a separate folder in a respective user's drive. That is, these materials are preserved or stored in a respective teacher's drive. Student can submit their work for regarding to the teacher, for grading to the teacher, for evaluating to the teachers. Teachers can monitor the process of each student by reviewing revision history as well as the documentation and test assigned to the him or his students. Teacher can return students' work along with his comments and to improvement. Thus, the Google Classroom is a very nice, effective tool. We have to use, we have to run the class effectively. In such a pandemic situation, this classroom definitely helps to communicate in between students as well as teachers, and we have to share the course material as well as we can assign tests. Students can submit the test, teacher can evaluate the test, and he can comments on the students writing or work. Thus, the Google Classroom is the best features which provide to make a good communication between students as well as teachers. We can invite our co-teachers also in the same. Okay, next we will see how to create a class, Google Class, and how to make a classwork, as well how to invite, how to join our colleagues as well as the students. We will see in a tutorial, that is demonstration tutorial. Let's move.
Well, I am going to share my screen. Now we will see how to make a Google Classroom, how to manage a Google Classroom. First, to manage or to start a Google Classroom, we have Google accounts. First, that is Gmail you have to have. ऐसे कि अपने को Google Classroom मैनेज करना है तो अपने गूगल अकाउंट होना चाहिए, जीमेल होना चाहिए. ऐसे just we will go to the Chrome, and I am already to sign to Gmail, and here are some 9 dots are there. From here we can go directly to the Google Classroom. This is the classroom. Or from browser we can type as Google Classroom and enter. It will direct to the your Google Classroom. अपने को यहाँ 9 डॉट से भी गूगल क्लासरूम में जाना आता है, या अपन ब्राउजर में गूगल क्लासरूम डाल के गूगल क्लासरूम ऐड कर सकते हैं. यहाँ मेरे अकाउंट में 3 क्लासेस आर अवेलेबल, फर्स्ट ईयर, for second year and third year. Now for demo purpose I am creating another class, that is you have to go for this plus sign button, plus sign icon, and just you have to click. अपने को यहाँ प्लस साइन आइकॉन पर जाना है और क्लिक करना है. क्लिक करने के बाद इट विल आस्क to join the class or create the class. Your students can join with this join button, and you can create a class with this create class. Just click on create class. It will ask to agree with the terms and condition. You have to just agree and continue the terms and condition of Google's. Then give a name to your class. The class may be for, suppose it may be for first year student, first year fishery science. Then you can add a section, that is section A. You can add subject as a fishery science. You can add subject as a fishery science. You can give a room number also for your classroom. Then you have to go for create classroom. It is creating now. क्लास को नाम डालने के बाद, सेक्शन एंड सब्जेक्ट डालने के बाद आप रूम भी डाल सकते हैं. उसके बाद ये क्रिएट क्लासरूम में आ जाएगा. अभी ये क्लास तैयार हो गया. फर्स्ट ईयर फिशरी साइंस सेक्शन ये class, and here is a code which is displayed like that. This code we have to copy or we have to share this code. Here there are 4 options are available here. In stream we have to select the subject title or any arts, any sports or any other things we can select also. I will use this. That is, the theme will be came here. Your class theme will be came here. From here you can post your students to welcome class. You can comment and you can post it. You can add some Google documents from Google Drive. You can add any YouTube link or any other. Just go to the link and we have to paste the link here. Or you can directly add any file from your computer or from your mobile also. There are some YouTube links are available. From YouTube you can search any videos or any link and you can add also. Suppose I am searching this and this link will be come. This video we can just select and just we have to click add. The video will be added there. Like that we can add. You can make an announcement here to students and we have to post here. Welcome to fisheries class. Tomorrow is a, you can like your message, you can make an announcement and we have to post. The post will be created like that. It will be your home students as well as other teachers. Now classwork is there. Second tab is with classwork. Here we have to go for create button. Career option is there. Just there are so many options. You can create assignment and questions use of practice and organize classroom into modules or units. You can rearrange it. Just go to create. There are so many options are available. You can give assignment to the students. Just click on the assignment. Give assignment first. Then you have to give instruction all questions like that. You can give a instruction. Then you have to go to the add button. Now you can add your question paper here, which is already stored to your Google Drive, or any link or any file which is on your desktop, or any YouTube link you can add here. Otherwise we have to create the assignment. Just click on that, then go to the, it will ask docs, slides, sheets, drawings, or forms. Select forms. It will come. Give title, that is paper first. Paper first. First assignment. Add questions here. First you have to add, these are the add buttons are there in a Google form or Google test. You can insert, import questions you are already typed or any already typed forms. You can add title and description. You can add images also here. You can add videos. You can add section. There is the first section. First you name of students. Just select this one. It will, Google is very clever. It will show short answer question. Just you have to select. Then add another question. Email. It is also short answer question. Add. Then add section. You can add section. Actually test you can add here. You test. Then add questions here. Common name of Katla. Katla. You can select as a short answer question, paragraph, multiple choice. You have to select multiple choice question. That is Katla. Otherwise you have to add another option. Rohu. Add another option. Legal fish. Like that you can add option. You can make a multiple choice questions. Then we have to plus this add button, or we have to copy this. You can duplicate it and paste it. Like another name of, which of following is a freshwater fish. These all are three freshwater fishes. If you want to multiple choice questions, checkbox question, just go to the checkbox and give these three answers are correct. That way we are going for the checkbox question. Like that you can make a true and false. You can ask for here. Next question, just add. If you want to insert image, just give a question like that. Identify and give scientific name of given fish. Just select. You can upload image of selected fish from browsing. You can take direct picture from your camera by UR. You can add photos from Google Drive. If you already that images, you can add here, or you can search from the Google. Just select Katla fish. The image will become here. Just select this image and you have to click insert and your answer as a short answer question. You can write here answer. Students can write here, so identify and type their answer here. Like that we can add images, we can add questions, we can test, we can give a test. Directly we can give a test or any assignment. If you want names of student is compulsory, you can select as a required. The students have to compulsory fill it. Then you have to require emails as a compulsory. You can make it required by clicking just on required. then the test will be appeared. Here our customized themes are available. Just you can change these customized themes. This one is a preview button. There are some settings are there. You can collect emails. Just click on if you want to emails. Require signs limit once, only once, or each student can submit too many response. That's why we have to limit for one response. Response can be edited and after submission, their permission they will ask. If you depending on you, you can give. We have to save it. In Google Classroom, we have created just assignment. Here we created test and we have to assign for the students. We have created these tests in a classroom for first year. Then the test we have to assign for the first year students. If you want to add first year section A students, the assignment will be here. The points depending upon questions, we have to select points. All students, we have to click here. You have to click due date and time you can insert. Just select last due date is 15. Then topic, that is first paper, we can add and we can assign work to the students. Just click on the assign. It will be go forever. The work will be like that. Just you select here. These are the first test you have to create it. Material you have to provide. Just click give title, that is introduction. Just add description. If you want to add any material, PDF material or any link or YouTube video, just go to the YouTube. Just click introduction to fisheries aquaculture. This video, if you want, just click it and add it. The video will be added here. Like that, you can add your material or file. Just you want to add a file, just select file, upload file, browse your laptop, any files. If your notes you can select here, or any PPT you have to select here, you can add here. These are PPT already prepared. You can just select PPT will be here and we have to upload here. The material will be came here like that. PPT will be came here. Any other option you have to add, you can add. Just add YouTube link or Google Drive material also, and you have to post it. The material will be posted in our class. These are the class work. Introduction to fisheries. Then there is one assignment is given. In stream we have to create class and we have to give title and all other things. You can change background, and here one class code is there. We have to copy it. Just select and copy it and go to the student and ask the student to join the class with this code. The students will be directly join in with this class. Then you have to go for the classwork. In classwork you can create assignment, quiz, question you have to give. You can provide material, reuse previous post also we can reuse. Then topic we have to select. These are the classwork we have to manage. Here third option is if false. The class is created now. Just you can add your colleagues. Just type his name and invite him. You can select this and you can invite your colleagues. Just type email and invite. You can invite your colleagues or teacher as a teacher in a teacher section. For students, you can directly invite from here. Just we have to type all mails of students here and just click invite. the mail will be go to the students, they will join through this link. Otherwise, there is one option is there, we already seen the plus button, join the class, from where also the students can join. And fourth option is the grading option, we will select it in a next part. Thus we will learn how to create a Google Classroom, then how to work as a classwork, how to create or give a assignment, how to give a message, how to give a questions, answer, and how to post a material, PDF material, YouTube material, or any links or any images, any PPTs we have to post here in a coursework. Students will be assessed here and they will can comment also you can see here. Then there is a people option. You can add your colleagues as a co-teacher and you can add your class students by inviting students with their emails or directly by sharing your class code. Here is a class code. You can go to your students or you can WhatsApp to the students or you can any mail or via WhatsApp, via Telegram, any social media you can share this. So your students will be joined to the classroom with this. Already created one Google Classroom is there. We can see here. This is already created by us. Here some material I already shared here is there. My colleagues also shared his material. These are the classworks. Here some PPT, videos and other are posted here. You can see the in people's two teachers are added here and students are added or joined here with their email ID. Total 13 students join now and two teachers are working on this class. These are the features available with, these are the good features are available with the.
Thus, we see how the Google is providing this facility, which is a free web service, which is freely available to the students as well as teachers. Teacher can use and they can make his class. He can share his material, share his announcement, share his assignment, as well as share his quiz and tests also. And students can work on that. Students can comment, students can ask queries, and students can submit his work to the teachers. Teachers can evaluate and they can give a remarks and give a feedback to the students. That's a nice tool which is provided by Google to make a Google Classroom. Such a Google Classroom in this pandemic situation, we have to use this and we have to communicate through the Google Classroom to the student.